Welcome back to ME Autos. Today we're diving into something truly unique in the world of luxury travel and high-performance road machines. When most people hear the name GMC Savana, they think of a reliable cargo van or maybe a passenger shuttle used by businesses and large families. But what happens when that practical platform is transformed into something extraordinary? What happens when luxury motorhome engineering meets the rugged reliability of a heavy-duty American van? The answer is the stunning and incredibly capable 2026 GMC Savana GTX 380, a vehicle that blurs the line between van, luxury tour bus, and high-end motorhome. At first glance, the 2026 Savana GTX 380 immediately stands apart from the ordinary Savana vans you might see on the road. The front fascia has been completely reimagined to give the vehicle a bold and modern presence. A redesigned grille with aggressive chrome accents dominates the front, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide both improved visibility and a futuristic appearance. The hood has been sculpted to give the van a muscular stance, making it look more like a high-end touring machine rather than a commercial vehicle. Moving along the sides, the Savana GTX 380 stretches out with a commanding length that hints at the incredible space inside. Premium alloy wheels fill the wheel arches, and subtle chrome trim runs along the body lines, giving the van a refined yet powerful look. Large tinted panoramic windows run across the sides, designed not only for aesthetics but also to provide passengers with breathtaking views during long road trips. But the real magic of the 2026 GMC Savana GTX 380 begins when you step inside. Opening the wide automatic sliding door reveals an interior that feels closer to a luxury private jet lounge than a traditional van. The designers behind the GTX 380 clearly had comfort and elegance in mind. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather upholstery, with hand-stitched detailing that immediately signals craftsmanship and quality. The seating configuration is where this vehicle truly shines. Instead of traditional rows of seats, the GTX 380 features executive-style captain chairs arranged to create a spacious and relaxing environment. Each seat is fully reclining, heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functionality. The seats are mounted on custom rails, allowing them to swivel or slide for different seating arrangements. Passengers can sit facing each other in a lounge configuration, perfect for conversations, business meetings, or simply relaxing during a long journey. Between the seats sits a beautifully finished center console with wood trim, wireless charging pads, cup holders, and touchscreen controls for the vehicle's entertainment and climate systems. Ambient lighting runs along the ceiling and floor panels, allowing passengers to adjust the mood of the cabin with customizable colors. Above, the ceiling design resembles that of a luxury aircraft cabin. Soft LED lighting panels create a calming glow, while integrated speakers from a premium surround sound system ensure crystal-clear audio throughout the interior. Entertainment is a major focus inside the Savana GTX 380. A massive retractable 40-inch smart display drops down from the ceiling, turning the cabin into a mobile cinema. Passengers can stream movies, connect gaming consoles, or mirror their smartphones onto the display. Multiple smaller screens are also integrated behind the front seats, allowing each passenger to enjoy their own content. The van also features high-speed onboard Wi-Fi, making it possible to work remotely, stream media, or stay connected while traveling across the country. But luxury is only one part of the story. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana GTX 380 delivers serious power to match its premium design. The vehicle is equipped with a massive 6.6-liter V8 engine, engineered for durability and strong performance. This powerhouse produces impressive torque, allowing the large van to move confidently even when fully loaded with passengers and gear. Paired with a refined automatic transmission, the GTX 380 offers smooth acceleration and stable highway cruising. Despite its size, the vehicle feels surprisingly controlled thanks to upgraded suspension components and advanced stability systems. The chassis has also been reinforced to support the additional luxury features and interior equipment. Heavy-duty shock absorbers and upgraded springs provide a smoother ride, even on long highway journeys or rougher rural roads. Safety is another area where the 2026 Savana GTX 380 shines. GMC has equipped this vehicle with a full suite of advanced driver assistance technologies designed to protect both the driver and passengers. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure alerts, and blind spot monitoring all work together to enhance safety on busy roads. Adaptive cruise control helps maintain a safe distance from vehicles ahead, while a 360-degree camera system provides a complete view around the large van, making parking and maneuvering far easier. The driver's cockpit has also been modernized significantly. Instead of the traditional utilitarian dashboard found in older vans, the GTX 380 features a fully digital instrument cluster paired with a large infotainment touchscreen. The system supports smartphone integration, voice commands, navigation, and vehicle diagnostics. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed with multiple power adjustments, ensuring comfort during long hours behind the wheel. Heated steering wheel functionality and customizable driving modes add another layer of convenience. But the GTX 380 isn't just about comfort and technology. It's designed for real adventure and long-distance travel. Behind the passenger lounge area, the Savana GTX 380 features an incredibly versatile rear section that can transform depending on the owner's needs. Some configurations include a compact kitchenette with a mini refrigerator, microwave, and sink, allowing travelers to prepare meals on the go. Other configurations feature a sleeping area with a fold-down bed system, turning the luxury van into a compact yet comfortable camper. This flexibility makes the GTX 380 an appealing option for travelers, touring musicians, business executives, and families who want to explore the open road without sacrificing comfort. Storage space has also been cleverly integrated throughout the vehicle. Overhead compartments, hidden floor storage, and rear cargo areas provide plenty of room for luggage, equipment, and personal belongings. Another standout feature of the Savana GTX 380 is its advanced climate control system. Unlike standard vans that struggle to maintain consistent temperatures throughout the cabin, this luxury touring vehicle uses multi-zone climate technology. Each passenger can adjust their own temperature settings, ensuring everyone remains comfortable regardless of outside weather conditions. The insulation used in the GTX 380 also deserves attention. Engineers have installed premium acoustic materials throughout the cabin to significantly reduce road noise. This means passengers can enjoy conversations, music, or movies without distraction from engine or wind noise. One of the most fascinating aspects of the 2026 GMC Savana GTX 380 is the growing trend it represents. Over the past decade, luxury vans have become increasingly popular among celebrities, executives, and travelers who want something more exclusive than traditional SUVs or motorhomes. These vehicles combine the maneuverability of a van with the luxury of a limousine and the practicality of a small RV. And the GTX 380 might be one of the best examples yet. Customization is another key factor that makes this vehicle so appealing. Buyers can choose from multiple interior layouts, materials, and technology packages. Some owners opt for a more business-focused configuration with conference seating and workstations, while others prefer a relaxation-focused layout with entertainment systems and reclining lounge chairs. Exterior customization options also include different paint finishes, wheel designs, and lighting packages, allowing each GTX 380 to reflect the owner's personal style. Fuel efficiency, while not the main focus of such a large and powerful vehicle, has still been improved compared to previous Savana models. Engineers have optimized the engine management system and transmission programming to deliver better highway mileage without sacrificing performance. Maintenance and durability have always been strengths of the Savana platform, and the GTX 380 continues that legacy. The underlying mechanical components are designed to handle heavy loads and long distances, making the vehicle reliable for cross-country travel. For tour companies, luxury shuttle services, and VIP transportation providers, the Savana GTX 380 offers a compelling alternative to traditional minibuses. It delivers a premium experience for passengers while maintaining the reliability and serviceability of a proven commercial vehicle platform. Pricing for the 2026 Savana GTX 380 varies depending on customization, but fully equipped models can easily reach into the six-figure range. However, for buyers seeking the ultimate road travel experience, the cost can be justified by the level of comfort, technology, and exclusivity offered. Imagine embarking on a cross-country road trip where every mile feels like traveling in a luxury lounge. Imagine reclining in a heated massage seat, watching movies on a massive display, while the powerful V8 engine effortlessly carries you across highways and mountain roads. That's the experience the Savana GTX 380 promises. It's not just transportation, it's a moving sanctuary designed to transform long journeys into unforgettable adventures. As luxury vans continue to evolve, vehicles like the 2026 GMC Savana GTX 380 prove that practicality and premium comfort can coexist in remarkable ways. From its commanding exterior design to its lounge-style interior and powerful performance, this vehicle represents a fascinating new chapter in the world of high-end travel. And for those who believe the journey should be just as enjoyable as the destination, the Savana GTX 380 might just be one of the most exciting vehicles on the road today.